The 1997 Honda CBR1100XX Blackbird is a true speed demon wrapped in a sleek and elegant design. Renowned for its aerodynamic prowess, the Blackbird not only slices through the air with finesse, but does so with a sophistication that sets it apart in the sport bike realm. Back in 1997, the CBR1100XX was the fastest production motorcycle globally, earning its Blackbird nickname. With a top speed that soared above its competitors, this Honda powerhouse showcased the brand's commitment to pushing the limits of performance, setting a standard for superbikes of its time. Thanks so much for watching. I want to talk real quick about our sponsor, us. A great way to support the channel is by going to our eBay store and ordering parts you need. We ship globally and offer free shipping within the US. We also ship quick and have a wide array of used parts, including parts from this bike. Check out the link at the top of the description for links to this bike's parts, or check out the link a little further down in the description to view our full inventory. Beyond its blistering speed, the Blackbird surprised riders with its comfort-oriented design, blending sporty handling with touring comfort. The CBR1100XX became a sport touring marvel. Commuting or embarking on long journeys, riders could enjoy the thrill of a sport bike without sacrificing the comfort needed for extended rides. Thanks for watching this time-lapse teardown. If you like this style of content, then you're sure to like some of the other videos that we've put out. Feel free to click one of these videos that are popping up, or if you want to see everything that we've done, it's easiest to just go to our channel here, and while you're there, you can click the subscribe button and like and comment on some of our stuff. We respond to all of the comments, and we really appreciate it. So go ahead and do that for us.